Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
I see it. Hey, what? Junior. I'm here dropping my money. Bobby. Come. Hello. Bobby. I will say, I come.
Is the direction okay for the kid? What's the kids at?
Boys, hurry up. Oh, hey. Go far. Come on, show it.
So Bex and Kora Spa.
Yes.
What did you come to do here today?
Well, today is the 1st of January, and throughout the whole year, God has blessed us. A lot of people, even our own staff, Sule, may he rest in peace, passed. And this pandemic, which is COVID, really took us by surprise. And so we just thought that if God is taking care of us, and today is the 1st of January, 2021, we're not going to spend it by ourselves at home. We're going to come and appreciate God. And how are we going to do that? By touching the less privileged, people who do not have. And so today, as we're here to just give them this donation, just to show appreciation, to tell them that we love them so much. And then, as much as we may not be coming here every time, we've got their backs, and we're always going to be there for them. So today, came here to just, in short, give thanks to God, give praise to God, and say thank you so much for 2021. Thank you for Kora's staff. Kora staff! And so it's not about me today, it's about the staff. So if some of them can actually say something, Christabel.
We just want to show gratitude to God. That's why we did this, for seeing us through the year. And as she said earlier on, Kora Spa is a spa located at East Lake ANC Mall. So this is the little thing we can do for the children who are in need. Thank you.
Thank you all so much. So we're here, we love the kids, they're amazing. This orphanage I think is fantastic. It's at North Legon. The kids, I love the fact that the kids look so plumpy and their hair looks great and the boys look amazing. And so I'm happy that I found this foundation and we're going to keep coming. So thank you all so much on behalf of Kora Spa. We appreciate you. And a message to our staff, our clients as well. I'm sure some of them will be watching. We appreciate you all and we love you so much. Thank you for patronizing Kora Spa. Thank you so much.
So, picture.